Welcome to the final part of my bike rebuild project. Now I'm going to fit the catch tank. We have these just in case there's a problem with the engine. It catches oil and stops it going on the track. And that's the catch trace fitted. Now I'm going to fit the chain. This goes around the front and rear sprockets. The engine spins the front sprocket, which moves the chain. This moves the rear sprocket, which is attached to the rear wheel, which makes me go faster the harder I twist the throttle. And that's the chain on. Now I'm going to fit the fuel tank. This one is quite an easy job. Just got to make sure it's on tight and that the fuel pipe is on correctly. And that's the fuel tank on. Now I'm going to fit the front mudguard. Now I'm going to fit the front number board. This will have my race number on it. It can be quite hard to fit it because the fixings are in an awkward place. And that's the front and bottom. Now I'm going to fit the bodywork and seat. This is the last job to do. Just changing over to a different sized socket. This bit at the back is a bit fiddly because you have to push hard, look under and ratchet all at the same time. Again at the front it is a bit fiddly because you've got to have one hand at the top, one hand at the bottom, and you've got to be looking at both of them. And that's the seat on. And that's it for this rebuild. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, where we will be posting videos of our forthcoming 2021 race season.